Let's have a look back at some of the earthquake science I covered in 2023. Some shocking shakes, viral volcano videos, popular posts and precious puppies. The year started with catastrophic seismic activity in Turkey in February. The Kahramanmaraş earthquake sequence has so far hosted the world's largest earthquake for the year, a magnitude 7.8, followed 9 hours later by the 6th largest earthquake, a magnitude 7.5, only 90 kilometers away. Across Turkey and Syria, almost 60,000 people lost their lives, with over twice as many injured and millions displaced from their homes. It was the deadliest earthquake since 2010 when a magnitude 7 earthquake devastated Haiti. September and October also saw tragic events, a magnitude 6.8 in Morocco and 4 magnitude 6.3 earthquakes within an 8-day period in Afghanistan. Around 4,500 lives were lost across those events. It serves as a reminder that magnitude 6 and 7 earthquakes near populated areas are potentially devastating, and events of that magnitude occur near a majority of the world's population a lot more frequently than magnitude 8 and 9 megaquakes. In December, a magnitude 7.6 earthquake occurred off the east coast of the Mindanao region of the Philippines, with a rare rapid sequence of strong aftershocks continuing to shake the region for days. Closer to home, a number of earthquakes in the Banda Sea were felt in Darwin, the largest of which were a magnitude 7.6 in January and a magnitude 7.1 in November. This is why the SRC, along with a number of other research organisations, will be implementing a building monitoring program in Darwin. Some of my more popular videos on TikTok this year were when I wasn't talking about earthquakes at all, but about volcanoes. I get it, they're dynamic and flashy, and I'm not here to start a fight, but if Earth's landforming was a race, volcanoes are the hares and earthquakes are the tortoises, and we all know how that turned out. Anyhow, I spoke about Victoria's volcanoes and talked about a research paper that discovered that Australia hosts the longest continental volcanic track in the world. Lots of people also tuned in when I answered the question everyone was asking: why does it feel like there's a major increase in earthquake activity in Southeast Australia? Spoiler alert, it's about where, not when. But as always, the highest number of views came from videos posted shortly after widely felt local earthquakes. The first was a magnitude 4 in Melbourne's northern suburbs near Greenvale, the largest earthquake in 120 years to have its epicentre within 40 kilometres of the CBD. I was also made aware that CBD means something else in other parts of the world, something that I imagine could help a lot of Melburnians who are anxious about earthquakes. The second earthquake felt widely across Melbourne was a magnitude 4.7 near Woods Point, an aftershock of the magnitude 5.9 from September 2021. Yes, an aftershock 2 years later. I explained how that works too. The last earthquake to wake Melburnians, including me but not my cavoodle Cinnamon, occurred in the Otway Ranges near Apollo Bay. It caused some damage locally, and in this case the aftershocks tapered off after just a few days. I hope you don't need to use this, but as I've been saying all year, if you feel strong shaking from an earthquake, the best way to protect yourself is to drop, cover and hold on. It's about knowing what to do, so rather than me appropriating a handy catchphrase, let's hear from my favourite earthquake science communicator and friend, Dr. Wendy Bohon.
Hi y'all! When it comes to earthquakes, remember, don't be scared, be prepared. So be ready, stay safe, and happy holidays.
Well, that's it for my seismic activity in 2023. Thanks to the hundreds of regular viewers who tune in to see the results of me trying to think of something interesting to talk about each week. And I think it's time for me to retire these threadbare SSA t-shirts, so I'll see you again in 2024 in this t-shirt of my own design.